Take a look at this. One owner, 2004 Mazdaspeed MX-5 in the Velocity Red Mica. Beautiful looking car. Very well maintained car. Like I said, one owner. The owner of this car brought it to us to sell because he bought a brand new one, and we'd sold a few other cars for him. So rather than him having to go through that, just brought it to us to do it. So feel free to give us a call, inquire on this. Be happy to help you out. Phone number you can reach us at is 507-386-1726. This particular car is powered by the turbocharged, intercooled inline four-cylinder that the Mazdaspeed MX-5s would have came with. This is one of two colors that they're produced in. This particular one has the two-tone interior cloth, which have been the gray and red combination. If you'd like to see how clean this car is and on the underside, the engine bay, feel free to go to our website too. It's uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to check out the underside pics, engine bay, interior, see how clean this car is. I'll get in the interior, we'll start it up too. But as you can see, the top, very nice shape, no rips and tears. Gentleman that owned this car, very particular. Actually used Mobil 1 synthetic oil in it its entire life. It's had synthetic rear differential fluid installed in it. So this car is ready to go, turnkey. There's no engine lights on, no warning indicators, nothing I've seen from any sort of paint work, anything like that. Clean Carfax, verifies the miles. It's about 59,000 miles, maybe just a tad over. Get in there and check that out here in a second. Show you the interior. Original floor mats, nice shape. As you can see, door cards, power locks, power windows, Bose stereo system. Check out the seats. Not all worn, frayed, torn. Like I said, very well taken care of. Gentleman was very particular that owned this car. Let's go ahead and start it up here. Alright, as you can see, airbag light will go off in a second. 59,470, just that seatbelt light that's on. So I'm not going to put it on since I got in here. Bose stereo system. AC. There's your power windows. Rear view mirror with direction and temperature in it. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. It's a nice running Mazdaspeed MX-5. A little over 59,000 miles. One owner, give us a call. 507-386-1726. Like I said earlier, check out any of the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.